explain you how you can mute your students during the class, or if you are in the organization, so how you can be a presenter. So because some of my teachers friends, they ask me, they are facing some problem during the class, the students kick someone, or they mute or unmute their mics, they create disturbance. So because of that, I am going to create this video. Before I already created a video on this topic, but now I am creating again, and I will explain each and everything. So guys, you can see these all are my teams. Suppose in the teams, I click it and I will find my team. So you will find your teams in your team account. So usually we use calendar to create a schedule. Suppose tomorrow you have class, so you use calendar to creating the classes, and you create your class schedule. But from the calendar we make it, but again there is some problems. Some of the teachers are facing problems. They said the students are not able to enter our class, or there are two meetings generated, or these type of problems are facing. So guys, now I will give you another way. From this calendar you can make it, and I'm not talking about every time it happens, but rarely. But there is another way. You can create the team, the schedule, and everyone can enter in your class without any problem. So suppose I have to create the schedule for this class, 9 uh, 9C. I click on it, and once I will click on it, so I will see this screen. I will find this screen. Here you can see many things, but on the top here you see there is meet now, or schedule a meeting. So you just click schedule a meeting. Okay, but one more thing you have to remember, you will not make, if you have this type of classes, so you will go to your class first. Suppose I go to IT class, I have already the meeting every Wednesday, but now I am going to schedule, and I will schedule the meeting here. Suppose I write my name IT and sorry, 9C document purpose. Then I go down if I want to add my coordinators, principal, or if you are working in the organization, so you can write the manager, director, whatever. I will choose date 9 of September, and from which time it will be. Suppose I put here 10:45, uh, 10:30, and I change this time to 10:40. So you can change your time from here also 9 September, and from 10:45 till 11:30. So this is 45 minutes, you can see here. Okay, so now my class is IT grade 9C, document for purpose, 9 September, 10:45 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So, okay, khalas. So you can give the description also. They should have the book or the stationery or whatever the location, you can give them, and I am going to send it. Once I send this, so you will find here your schedule within second. You will click it again on the schedule, and here you will find meeting option. So you will click on meeting option. So once you click on meeting options, so you can see here there will be the new window, and here who can bypass my lobby, people in my organization, only me, everyone can pass my lobby, or you can choose as you want. I select people in my organization, always let caller bypass, leave it as it is, announce when caller join, okay, yes. But this is very important, who can present. So not everyone can present, specific person or people in my organization, or only me. If you are a teacher, so select only me, so the students will not able to kick someone. They will not be able to do any problem. So I click on done and then I close it. So now my team has been created, my schedule has been created, and I can join. Suppose I join now, I click on it, and after that you will find this. I click join now, and once I click on join now, I will be in my class. I am joining now, but this is now I am not in my class. So on the same time tomorrow, like you will be in your class. So now from here I click show participant, so I can see my participant. Okay, so from here now whoever will be in your class, they will be muted. And also if somebody is talking, in case he's the owner, so you can mute all from here. Mute all, there will be the option once the students come, and you can mute all. Okay, and now nobody can kick anyone, or they cannot disturb you during the class. As I told you before, from here you can download attendance for your class after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever you want, because it will go to download folder and you can see in Excel file. It will be in Excel file. From here, manage permission, again you will go there in the meeting option. So guys, I hope from now nobody will disturb you during the class, and if this video is helpful or useful, so please tell me in the comment box. And if you need another features in Teams, if you think this feature should be, and maybe the Teams has that feature, so please inform me in the comment box, so I will explain you about that. So guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel, and I'm here because of you. And like, subscribe, share this video to your friends, to your colleagues. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.